Hi students, how are you? I hope that you are fine today. So today we will learn about new material, but still in the chapter 3 kita bakal belajar tentang materi baru yang ada di chapter 3, yaitu tentang still time, waktu. So last week we have already learned about time, yaitu waktu atau jam. Kalian masih ingat? Ya, benar banget. Kita baca tentang jam, lebih kurang seperempat, setengah, dan jam yang tepat. So we have already learned about telling time, which is past, quarter, half, and etc. So now we will learn about the date, the day, the month, and also the year. So before we move to the new material, I will ask you, how many months in a year? 12. Very good. Can you please mention? Very good. There are 12 months in a year. So basically, there are 12 months in a year, which are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So there are 12 months in a year. So I think that you still understand about it. Jadi Miss kira kalian sudah paham tentang 12 bulan dan hafal ya kan? So we will move to the next one. I will ask you about the days. What is days in Indonesia? Hari, benar sekali. How many days in a week? Very good. There are 7 days in a week, which are very good. So basically there are 7 days in a week. Jadi ada 7 hari dalam seminggu. So there are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So actually Monday till Friday is a weekday. Jadi hari Senin sampai hari Jumat itu adalah hari kerja, and Sunday or Saturday itu adalah weekend. So akhir pekan. So there are 7 days in a week. So I think that you still understand about it. So we will move to the next one. How to tell the date? Bagaimana caranya kita mengatakan sebuah tanggal? So we will move to how to tell the date. Telling the date. Telling the date itu rumusnya, the formula is the plus ordinal number plus of and plus month. Jadi ada the, ordinal number, of, and month. Ada yang tahu ordinal number? What do you know about ordinal number? Okay, I will introduce the ordinal number to you. Jadi Miss bakalan kenalin ordinal number ke kalian. So, ordinal number adalah number yang bertingkat. Kita punya dua angka, yaitu ordinal number dan cardinal number. Kalau cardinal number itu angka-angka yang biasanya kalian sebutkan. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Itu adalah cardinal number. So here we will learn about ordinal number, which is the tingkatan nomor, yaitu ada pertama, kedua, ketiga, keempat, kelima, and etc. So basically semuanya belakangnya itu TH, kecuali the first, second, and third. So pertama, kedua, dan ketiga itu beda cara penulisannya, which is first, second, and third. Lainnya itu biasanya belakangnya which T and H. Kayak keempat, fourth, kelima fifth, keenam sixth, ketujuh seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth, dan etc. So, kalau ada nomor yang 21, so 20 with first, 20 first, 20 second, 20 third. Kalau misalnya 24 kembali ke TH, 24th, 25th, 26th, and etc. Kalau misalnya nomor 31, you can say 30 and first, 31st, 32nd, 33rd, 34th. You still sampai sini kalian ada pertanyaan? So, kalau kalian lihat di tabel, yang berbeda cuma first, second, and third. Dan ada beberapa kalimat atau nomor yang cara penulisannya beda sama cardinal number. Contoh, 5. Kita menulis 5 itu kan F-I-V-E, Vive. Tapi kalau misalnya di ordinal number, kita pakai fifth with T and H. Fifth. F-I-F-T-H. Sama kayak 8, kalau kita nulis A-I-G-H-T, kalau misalnya tambah TH kan harusnya T-nya double. But you don't have to do that. 8, T-nya satu aja. 9, jadinya ninth, E-nya hilang. Langsung ditambahin TH. Sampai sini, I think that you will understand. Ngerti ya? So, ada first, ada second, ada third. 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 31st, 32nd, 33rd, 41st, 42nd, 43rd. Good, very good. I think that you will understand. So now we will telling the date. So 1 Juni means the 1st of June. The 1st of June. The 1st, and then 1st, and then of, and then June. Month-nya. Kalian bisa nulis, kalau misalnya 1, kalian bisa lihat di sini, kalau 1 itu ST, kalau 2 itu ND, kalau 3 itu RD. Kalian tinggal lihat belakangnya ada first, ST, second, ND, third, RD, fourth, TH. Jadi yang belakangnya kalian tulis first ST, 1 ST, 2 ND, 3 RD, 4 TH, dan selanjutnya. So you can see here for the 1st of June, tanggal 1 Juni. So we will move to telling the year. So actually ada dua perbedaan, yaitu ada tahun 2000-an dan tahun 1900-an. Kalau tahun 2000-an ke atas, we say 2000 and the last number. Jadi tahun 2000 berarti 2000, 2010 berarti 2000 dan 10, 2010, 2022, 2022, 2011, 2011, 2020, 2020. Jadi kalau misalnya tahun 2000-an itu yaitu 2000-nya ditambah sama tahun belakangnya. 2010, 2000 dan 10, 2020, 2000 dan 20. Get it? Very good. And early years atau 1900-an. Nah, 1900-an ini dibagi menjadi dua. Yaitu yang belakangnya 00 sampai 09 dan belakangnya yang belasan sampai puluhan. So, kalau misalnya belakangnya itu belasan atau puluhan, you can say dua nomor di depan dan dua nomor di belakang. Contohnya 1999, 1999, 1999, 1999, 1860, 1860, 1720, 1720. Jadi dua nomor di belakang dan dua nomor di depan. Dua nomor di depan dulu, baru dua nomor di belakang. 90, 99, 1860, Tapi kalau misalnya the last two numbers itu 00 sampai 09, which is satuan, nomornya satuan kayak 1902, 1903, 1904. You can say 1902. Jadi 3 ratusan ditambah satuan. 1902 berarti 190 plus 2. 1900 plus 2. 1809. 1902. 1703. 1703. Bukan 17 bukan. Tapi 1703. So they can be joined by 100. Jadi kalau misalnya 1900-an itu bisa diambil 2 digit pertama dan 2 digit terakhir kalau misalnya puluhan. Kalau misalnya belakangnya satuan, kalian bisa pakai 3 digit di pertama sama 1 digit di akhir. Oke, sampai sini ada pertanyaan? No, I think that you will understand. You are smart. Good. So here, after we telling the date, we will ask and tell about the date. Jadi, kita bakalan belajar tentang at, in, and on. Kalau at, itu biasanya dilakukan atau digunakan untuk precise time, which is waktu yang spesifik, waktu yang udah pasti, waktu yang sudah ada waktunya, benar-benar ada waktunya. Contoh, jam 1, jam 2, jam 3, dinner time, makan malam, sekarang, at the moment. Oke, itu ada precise time, which is waktu yang spesifik, waktu yang tepat. So, kalau in, itu months, year, centuries, and long periods, which is itu menyatakan tentang bulan, tahun, abad, dan waktu yang berjangka. Contoh, in February, in 1990, in winter, in summer, in the next century. Itu pakainya in. Jadi kalau misalnya kalian mau jawab menggunakan bulan, you can say in February, in March, and you can say tahun in 1990, in 2010, in 2012. You can say in untuk month, year, centuries, and long period. And now we move to on. On itu digunakan untuk menunjukkan hari dan tanggal, which is on Sunday, on Saturday, on 8 February 2016, and on Christmas Day. Jadi kalau misalnya ada hari-hari besar, kalian pakainya on Christmas Day, on New Year, on holiday. Jadi kalau misalnya ada hari besar atau hari peringatan, kalian pakainya on, bukan in, bukan at. Get it? Get it. Very good. Now we will move to the example of asking and telling time. So what is the date of National Education Day of Indonesia? It's on the 2nd day of May. Jadi pakai on karena dia menyatakan tentang tanggal. Very good. So what time is the party? It's at 5 o'clock. Kenapa pakai at? Karena precise time atau waktunya spesifik, yaitu jam 5. And then the next one is, when will you go to the Jakarta? So I will go in October. Jadi kalau misalnya jawabnya tentang bulan, kalian pakai in. Kalau precise time atau waktu yang spesifik, kalian pakai at. Ada jamnya, ada waktunya, berarti pakai at. Kalau misalnya kalian mau ngomongin masalah waktu atau tanggal atau hari-hari besar, kalian pakainya on, which is on the 2nd day of May, on Christmas Day, on Valentine's Day, on New Year, and etc. So we move to the exercise. So now we are going to have a picnic. Days, In, at, on. Good. On Saturday afternoon. And then the second one, when is the meeting? It's blah 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 2 p.m. which is at. Very good. 3. Tom's birthday is blah 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 14 January 2020. Okay, on. Very good. No, number 4. We moved to the city. In. Why? Because of the years. Jadi itu karena menyatakan tahun. Jadi pakainya in. Next, are there any holidays? Blah 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 October. Very good. In October. So this is the answer. Ada on, ada at, ada on, ada in. So here kalian ada pertanyaan? No? So I think that you will understand about this material. So please study more karena kalian akan menempuh yang namanya midterm test which is UTS. So please study hard and do the exercise. Tolong kerjakan tugas-tugasnya, jangan sampai kelewatan, okay? So thank you so much for your attention. Please wear a mask and don't go anywhere. Stay at home and stay healthy. Don't forget to eat the healthy food and keep healthy for yourself and your family. And I think it's enough. Bye.